And this is the whole code of Navbar. So if you want to copy, then you can copy from here. This is the remaining, which I will not write in the previous video. So next one is make another JSP file, and the JSP file is login, for the user login. And here again I simply copy and paste the Bootstrap because I'm not want to get the videos too long. So for this I simply paste the whole code, and I show the code line by line, so you can easily write the code. And first 4 to 5 line you can check the tag lib of the JSP and the JSTL. You can check whole code from here. This is the style, and for time being now I am simply remove this tag lib, JSTL tag lib. This is the container row, and for I simply take a column because I want div as in center of the HTML. And for success message I simply remove the alert message. User login. Now simply make write whole code as label as in single line. Similarly for input, now I want input as in next line. This is the whole div for the password, similar to email. And this class is from this div. And this one is the submit to login button. And if you this is a simply image, so if you don't want to use, then you can simply remove this. This is for only a UI purpose, not so if you want to remove, then you can simply leave as it is, and you can write from p tag. And the user if not registered, then you can simply first registered, and this anchor tag is for home JSP if you want to redirect direct to the home. And last I provide a link for the registration page. So yeah, you can check the whole code of the login.jsp. This is the form tag which is closed, card body card, and I think one div is not included here. Now it's close. But when I click on Navbar, then it's not clickable because I think I got some missed. But for login I simply write login.jsp, and if I click, yeah, you can check that from Navbar I'm not able to click because due to this Jquery slim in JS. So first I need to add on header, not in header, on footer, because this is a JS file. So in first I need to go extra and then footer link, and before this proper I need to add. And if I refresh and if I click, then I am able to see the drop down. but in login JSP it gives some error related to JSTL, and I already add dependencies in Maven in pom.xml, and I also include, but if I remove this, then you can check this worked fine. I think there is issue, maybe some currently I'm using Tomcat 10, and if you are using Tomcat 9 or 8, then you need to add this GSTL tag lib, but maybe a Tomcat 10 provide by default, so simply I remove from login.jsp. I don't need to add this externally. Similarly, for this is for registration.jsp page. This is the whole code. You can simply copy from here, and I will show the code. I will show the whole code as line by line, so you can simply copy. First I need to remove this JSTL so I not get any error, and yeah, this is for the, and if I click here, then it's working fine. So yeah, it's currently I'm using Tomcat 10, so by default it provides the JSTL, so there is no need to add externally. And if you are using Tomcat 8 or 9, means less than 10, then maybe you need to add JSTL in your JSP file. So yeah, I will close all the remaining. I simply open login and registration. Here I add the success and alert message. This message will be used when the user login or log out, so I will show the message on JSP page. And I think whole code for login, and if you want to see the exact code, then you can simply pause the video and write the whole code. Apart from this, I also show the whole code as line by line, so you can easily write. If I write code as line by line, then it take more time and the video is gonna lengthier, so I don't want this video make much longer, so I simply paste all the code. But when I write the servlet, then simply I write line by line and try to teach the line by line code, but the exact meaning of the code. This is the button, and I think this is the closing tag of container. Fine, yeah. So next video I will work on the servlet. Thanks for